Control F5 to see what we did last time. We were working on element 5, this text area. Open a text file to load the text content. Let's say make element 7 a button that converts the text in element 5 to single lines. Where will the output go? It will be element 8, this text area. That means for element 7, comment it out and make element 7 a button. Remember, we made button in element 4, right? So basically, simply copy this with a bit of tweaking. Let me change it to element 7. The command, like before, is simply linking the element to the function under click event. Last time, we used open file, and this time, we do it for element 7 convert because we want to convert something. Once we get the command done, go back to the click event and create a function to match the command. This one, we called it convert. Leave it now. Here, pass it. Just showed you how it looks first. Remember, once you've created the element, you still need to include that element in layout to define the location, right? This element 7 is already there when you download this template. If you change element 7, let's say you call it convert button, then simply change this element 7 to convert button.grid and it'll be fine. Here, I just leave it as it's already set. Alright, once we get this button done, Control S, save it, then Control F5 to see what we get. Element 7 is now open file. Oops, still open file. I forgot to change it. Easy. Element 7's command is convert, right? Simply change the text to convert text. Control S, Control F5, run it again. That's why when we code, we'll keep previewing the result, so you know what you did wrong. Here you see element 7 button, convert text. Now you click it and nothing should come out because we didn't do anything with this convert and you shouldn't see anything yet. Leave it now. Just show you the look first. Element 8, which is this one, has to be a text area. Go back to elements. Element 8 here, it should be a text area, right? So I comment this out. Here we keep the name element 8. You can rename it, not going to repeat here. Since it's a text area and it looks exactly the same as element 5. Copy it down equals text area and then go to layout. Look for element 8. Since by default this element 8 is already there. Control S, save. Control F5 to see how it looks. Here you see element 8, this text area. Element 8 here is this one in the layout. Let's take a break.